Here's a question. What if psychology wasn't only about fixing problems, but also about building happiness? Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's psychology series, we're diving into positive psychology, the science of gratitude, optimism, and what it means to truly flourish. What is positive psychology? Traditional psychology often focuses on treating mental illness, and that's important. But positive psychology asks a different question: what makes life worth living? Instead of just reducing sadness, it studies how to increase joy, purpose, and resilience. Gratitude, a small habit, big impact. Studies show that people who practice gratitude, like writing down 3 things they're thankful for each day, report higher happiness and even better physical health. Why? Because gratitude shifts our brain's focus from what's missing to what's meaningful. It's like upgrading your mental lens. Optimism, seeing challenges differently. Optimism doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means believing that setbacks are temporary and solvable. For example, instead of thinking, "I failed this test, I'm terrible at everything," an optimist says, "Okay, I struggled here, but I can improve." Research shows that optimistic people often have stronger immune systems and live longer. Talk about the power of perspective. Flourishing, beyond just being fine. Positive psychology isn't about being happy 24/7. It's about flourishing, growing in relationships, pursuing goals, and finding meaning in life. Think of it like this: surviving is just breathing, but flourishing is dancing while you breathe. Why it matters. In a world full of stress and negativity, positive psychology reminds us that well-being can be learned, practiced, and shared. It's not just for students of psychology, it's for anyone who wants a better, more fulfilling life. So here's the takeaway. Gratitude, optimism, and flourishing aren't just feel-good words. They're proven paths to a healthier, happier life. And speaking of health, in our next episode, we'll explore psychology, how the mind and body are connected, and how lifestyle choices can shape wellness. Check the playlist link in the description, subscribe if you haven't already, and remember, happiness isn't just an emotion, it's a skill you can practice.